Second engineer 7,000 euros and the fourth engineer 3,800 euros. Ropax, Cyprus flag urgent to embark. As you know, Candina is growing crew management throughout all the different oceans, different nationalities, different flags, type of ships. And so in this case, it is the possibility to join with 7,000 euros second engineer experienced Ropax or RoRo, experienced European or living in Europe. It could be Ukrainian living in Europe urgently, and then a fourth engineer 3,800 euros. We know other flags because of tax and because of this collective bargaining agreement, because of this or that the wages are much lower in other companies. We know the whole thing today. Therefore, this is a very good possibility to go up the ladder, and having a second engineer 7,000 euros is really one of the best wages today. South Europe, Mediterranean and Strait of Gibraltar. Apply urgently to Candina, like and subscribe, pass through all the social media and the WhatsApp and all types of Facebook and Instagram and so on groups you have today. Like and subscribe, because this is the possibility to join Candina within this huge fleet of RoRos and Ropaxes that we have now under crew management. And it is the possibility also to have a long-term career within Candina and all the way up the ranks. This fleet we have all the way up to chief engineers. So it is the possibility to say goodbye to those companies that underpay you, or that the flag is so complicated, bureaucratic, or that the collective bargaining agreements are so big that really they miss the point that the 7,000 euros a second engineer is one of the best market today wages that there are. And South Spain, a nice weather, a nice crew. Join now Candina. Thank you very much indeed for your time. Like and subscribe, and fill in the crew inspector database, because those that fill today will get the job done for tomorrow, and probably they will have possibilities to promote to chief engineer and to third engineer and second engineer and chief engineer very fast indeed. Thank you. Bye.